Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 USB keeps disconnecting and reconnecting. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get start. Okay guys, in the search box type a device manager, open device manager. After opening that, select a universal serial bus controller and expand it. After doing this, select all USB drivers, right click and go to your properties. Click on power management and uncheck the allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So it's applicable one by one. Go to your properties, management and uncheck it. Go to your property, power management and check and uncheck it. Close it and close it. After doing this state, once again, after completing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, and after doing this state, find out a expand it and find out a USB device. So in my case it's not install USB device. If your shows that any USB device, then select and uninstall it. So in my case it's not showing. So if your available USB device, then uninstall it, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.